Looky what we have here. That dirty line is returned. Look at it. You ugly motherfucker. How do you get rid of that? I'll tell you, I'm just gonna... Problem is, it's underneath the lace here. I'm just gonna try it with some alcohol, okay? It's underneath the lace. See, I can't rub it out. Usually I'm pretty good at rubbing one out, but not today. Maybe I'm distracted. Let's have a look at this. Put on this first. Be careful, don't rub too much all the time, because otherwise you end up giving yourself a rash or like abrasions. See, this is a problem with lace, right? All along the front, the lace has got holes in it, so it's going to let dirt get through into the glue, even if the glue is right along the front edge and not protruding out onto the forehead at all. So the dirty line would typically be a result of having the glue that's been painted on a little bit too far forward, which is most of this problem here. That already stings, which means I'll probably give myself some abrasions. But it is a bit better. But overall, it's not that great. So the reason I wanted to do this video now is basically because each time I have to repair my front hairline, I don't know where it went. I don't know where it is. I don't know where it's supposed to be. And given that I think this is a fairly good hairline that I want to replicate next time as well, I'm going to do something that can precede tape marking, and that is tan marking. The way I'm going to do that is just by spraying along my forehead like that. Just a little bit more. So I'm a week into my acting course at the moment, but given the responses to previous acting videos that I've put up on this channel, I don't see any point. I've since removed one of them, which had 6 dislikes and 5 likes, which is nuts, given how fucking good I am at acting. So right now, in this edit, I've decided I'm gonna force you to watch my latest 3 scenes. And so if this tan video has helped you in any way, not that I'll show you the end result, you'll wonder why the fuck I'm walking around with this tan on my head like this, when it looks so different from the rest of my face. I'll tell you, it's just because when you have a shower, most of it washes away, right? This is basically just the layer that you're able to see. The bit that's actually embedding into my skin is probably clear, but you need to be able to see where you've sprayed, so that there's some sort of temporary dye in it that just washes off. It actually looks pretty good actually when you've after you've had a shower. You gotta leave it on for 8 hours though. So I'll just sleep like this on my nice white pillows. Okay, so I now present to you my acting scenes. But first, let me tell you something. Every acting scene I do in a class is an exercise that we've been instructed to do. So we had to start with an opening line for these particular scenes, and then just sort of improvise the rest. So the first time he said, be an alpha type character, And then I went and did that with the traits that we'd explored in class. The next time, all this is first week at the moment. Online course too, so easy, right? Second was beta type character, which is who is trying to be like an alpha but failing. So that'll be the second one I'm showing you. And the third one is the empathetic omega type character. So they're the sort of people who care more about what the other person wants than, unlike the alpha, what the alpha would normally want, what they want, and everyone else can sort of don't even care, right? Beta trying to be the alpha, trying to show how cool they are and everything, but need approval from everybody, right? And the omega basically just is a giving, empathetic soul who just wants to make the other person feel more comfortable. So here they are. Hope you can tell them apart. You can eat that. Do you want some? Why wouldn't I eat it? Guilt? Oh no, it's low fat. This is pretty healthy actually. How old do you think she is? Oh no, it's fresh. I mean, you mean the meat? Oh, 3 years. So, a toddler then. Are you actually gonna eat that? Hey, are you gonna eat that? Hey, are you gonna actually eat that? Do you want some? No! Oh my god! No spells no. Oh my god. Why wouldn't I eat it? I don't know. Maybe guilt? Oh no, it's low fat. This is pretty healthy actually. How old do you think she is? Oh no, it's fresh. I mean, you mean the meat? Yes! Oh my 3 years. God, that's what I've been trying to say the whole time. God, 3 years. So like a toddler then? You gonna eat that? Do you want some? Why wouldn't I eat it? Guilt. Oh no, it's low fat. This is pretty healthy actually. How old do you think she is? It's fresh. I mean, you mean the meat? 3 years. So a toddler then.